Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is Ficus religiosa. In Pakistan and India this is called people. In English this is called sacred tree. In many languages it has many more names. The tree beneath which I am standing, this is Ficus religiosa. This is the most famous tree amongst trees community due to its self-sustaining capability and capacity. Its identification is very simple. The leaf in my hand, you can see the midrib and the veins are the identification of this tree. The most prominent identification of this tree is its leaf apex. The tail of a leaf is the justified identification, which is very simple. The girth of this tree goes from 100 to 150 inches. The canopy size of this tree goes 60 feet wide in diameter. The main features of this tree include this tree belongs to Ficus family. This is self-sustaining tree due to its aerial roots as well as adventitious roots. It is a companion plant of banyan tree which is called Ficus bengalensis. This is hard to survive. This is disease tolerant, drought tolerant, salt tolerant. It grows everywhere. Even if the seeds got room in any corner of the walls disposed of by the bird shit, it grows there for many years. Its life is 200 plus years. This tree is the tree of every region, every climate, like temperate climate, tropical region, subtropical, arid, semi-arid, coastline, hilly area, even the rainforest. So it grows everywhere. It is the traditional tree in Pakistan. It is the religious tree in India and Nepal. It is cool shaded tree. So people love to sit, to play, to gossip, to sleep under this tree. It is the most important part of biodiversity. So birds come to make nests, come to stay there. What is the impact of this tree on water? This tree has porous and extensive root system. Due to this reason, it sucks all the water table, making the water sweeter and colder for drinking purpose. Nowadays, the trend is very slow to plant this tree as compared it was in the past. So need of the time is to promote this tree, to consider this tree, to plant this tree, to propagate this tree. The recommendation of this tree is one mature tree per acre. It means in 1 acre, one mature tree with great height must be there. Suppose if a city contains or comprises of 20,000 acres, so that city must contain 20,000 mature Ficus religiosa with great height. Next I'll come with the new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.